Yeah, I know. I usually change the name as soon as they get into it because I don't know who's player 1, player 2. Oh, looks like rain is the same. What it looks like. Oh, by the way, I'm actually doing all this kind of by myself. Right? Yes, yes, Grandma is back. And right now, he's kind of got saw. Oh, nearly the 0 to death. Oh, looks like he is coming back. Is it? Ooh, and he tried to go for the and the teabag. Is that? Oh my goodness, that's toxicity in its finest, and the up B nearly getting him. That was so dirty, and it looks like he kind of paid for it back there. That was wow. Like I have no words for that. Dude, I wish I have a. I'm glad we're not playing football. He would have to be there for unsportsmanlike conduct. Ooh, and that counter there. Ooh, and the super armor. Okay. Oh, throw the crown. Thought it's gonna suck him up. And the back throw, and that's gonna take the stock. And he just walks very slow. Here, oh, the get up attack. Talk about. Ooh, dealing with the strong. Yeah, I kind of see countering camp. I mean, it is. It is pretty there. Oh, and the LB would take the stock off of King K. Both 1-to-1. 1-to-1, trying to go for the grab there. Ooh, the counter. Throwing the crown. Ooh, trying to go for the counter. He waited for the counter to stop there. Ooh, and the hard knee. The crown hits him. He lost the crown. He don't have crown anymore. Oh, and the back throw, and that's gonna end it for Rain there. Grandpa takes the first stock. After the disrespectful first stock that Grandpa did with the teabag. That was playing dirty. I'm telling you, we are playing offline here. They're literally right next to each other. This is not online. The teabag kind of made it dirty a bit. But looks like Rain's gonna try to bring it back here. Kind of showing it's bad. See that. Ooh, nearly with the up smash there. Look about a modded controller. I show you it's not. Ooh. I guess that wasn't modded. The up tilt to the hard knee. Oh, Nair. Oh, the up tilt. Oh, trying to stop him throwing the crown. Oh, and the back throw there. And the spike. 3-to-1. Oh, looks like he's like getting revenge back. Both of them are still contemplating neutral here. Oh, off stage. Is gonna hit the knee? No, it did not. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a 3-star. Oh, nope. Back throw. Is he gonna stop him? Ooh. Nice uppy there with King K. Here, throwing the crown. Crown is only protecting it. Try to counter. Here. Oh, the up B, and it's gonna be a 3-stock. It's 1-1. It's 1-1. The next game's going to decide it all. Who will move on and who will go home. Oh, looks like Rain was kind of, hovering over Ganondorf, but he's still continuing on with Captain Falcon. Definitely needs to be faster than King K and try to get in close. Yep, Rain is going. Rain is definitely going nearly with the up tilt. That would have been devastating. Oh, the back throw. Looks like he's gonna try to space him out again, but Rain is not gonna have any of it. Oh, and it's gonna be a back throw again. Throws the crown. It's the bluster. Yeah, but he's not really gonna go after Captain Falcon here. Trying to go for the grab. Ooh, misses. Trying to think he was going for it. Ooh, the up B. Hit him all 3 times. Almost with the up air. But misses. Oh, shoot it up. Both of them are shooting each other, and the up B will kill. So, ooh, and the up. There goes the up air. It's still 1-1. Now, let's kind of be honest here. I feel like he kind of practice combos against a big dude like King. Ooh, try to go for the spike. That's actually one of the few times he actually does go for the spike. Ooh, misses. Just the hit there. Oh, there goes his crown. Oh, look, he got his crown back. Oh, the dash attack. On there. Oh, shoots him out. Throwing the crown. Definitely going with the, what was said before, the counter and camp strategy. Like, he's kind of countering less and more grabs. Grabs and back throws. Basically staying on ledge, trying to grab him in case he messes up like that. And, oh, does not take a stock. Oh, there's him there. Oh, hits the crown. It definitely looks like Brain is actually adapting to Grandpa's playstyle here. And the grab, trying to go off the up B there, grab and throw him over. But still, it's still not even over. He tried to go for the spike. Unfortunately, it was too low. It was managed to actually work. Ooh, trying to go with the up B there. Oh, there goes the up. There goes up B. Seriously, both up B's are very distinct here. Rain is trying to utilize the recent buff of Captain Falcon's up B. Oh, hit him with the crown. Oh, hit him 3 times with it. Oh, hit with belly armor. Oh. He has nearly less belly armor than before. In the back throw. Oh, and the forward smash, and that would end it for Rain.